This is the autolyse process, and in here is rye flour and strong white, and there's 30% rye. And the autolyse process is just adding the water from the recipe, and I'm adding 65% of the water into the rye and the white wheat, and all I'm doing is just mixing. This isn't a knead, it's just a mix. So just bringing it all together. You can use a spoon if you prefer, but sooner or later you're going to have to get in there with your hands. The autolyse process is really worth doing, and it hydrates all the particles of the flour, and it also gives your finished loaf of sourdough a fantastic colour. So here we go. I'm not kneading it, just nice and gently. There's absolutely no hurry. And you can see and read more about this process in my book, in my e-booklet called Sourdough, Dispelling the Myths and Mystery in Plain English. So this isn't a knead, just bringing it all together. Get in there with a couple of hands if you prefer. And that's it. And now I'm just going to leave the dough. I'm going to cover it with some plastic. I'm just going to leave it on the work surface for a couple of hours, and then I can begin the bread making process. So this is what the dough looks like at the moment. Just going to leave it like that for a couple of hours and cover it.